We are here in Minnesota at the SPP garage, just dialing up an 09 Fat Boy here. We just put a 2-into-1 Bassani road rage on it, badass looking pipe. And took off the Cobra 2-into-2s. So went into a 2-into-1 Bassani. It's already got a stage 1 air cleaner, set of 255 cams, already came in with that stuff on it. I did a full service on it, I think a week ago. Now we upgraded to an exhaust, and then we need to get it tuned yet. But let's fire her up and see what she sounds like.